being a mom, I'm sure you know, is tough. And one of the biggest and hardest lessons that I learned this year is I can't do it all. I was trying to run and build my business. I was trying to be the perfect mom. I was trying to lose the baby weight, eat healthier, basically trying to do everything. When it all came down to was it just wasn't working. Give me an amen down in the comments if you totally feel where I'm coming from, where you feel like you need to do everything, but it ends up everything just becomes a mess and you're dropping the ball everywhere. So I've decided for 2018, we have a different game plan in place, and I want to share that with you here today. Hey, welcome back. My name is Trina. If you are new here, and I'm a mama of 2 kids, a business owner, a wife, and so many other things. And what I've come to realize is being a mom is #surviving, and the only way we can actually enjoy motherhood is if we just get it simplified and organized, and that's what I'm trying to focus on this channel. So 2018 was a basic whirlwind here in a new house with a broken knee at the beginning of the year. I thought, this is it, this is the year we're gonna get our shiz together. So at the beginning of 2018, I was still dealing with a lot of postpartum depression. My son had turned 1 at the end of 2017, but I was still feeling the effects. I wasn't really feeling myself. I got on some medication and I was getting that into my system to get everything back in balance. So we didn't really have a plan of attack coming into the year last year. I set goals every year, but I set them for my business, and I didn't really think to go broader and set them specifically for more of my family and life goals. So that's one thing that I'm doing more this year, and I'm gonna be updating you on that in the next couple of weeks. But I wanna share with you the 9 steps I'm taking in 2019 to simplify my life. And I wanna know if you wanna join with me. Post a comment down below that says I'm in. That way we can start sharing our journey. We can start maybe create a hashtag, share photos and stuff on Instagram, and just kind of start creating a community that way. If that's something that you wanna do, I can share, you know, how I'm doing in this step, and you can share with me as well. So let me know in the comments below if that sounds like a good idea. So the first thing I'm gonna be doing is decluttering and organizing. We've only been in this house for 1 year, and I feel like we've totally trashed the place. When we moved in here, we had family move us, which was great, but unfortunately they just put things in places to get them out of boxes, and it's not in a flow that works for us. We've also started accumulating a lot of things. Moms of kids will understand. We get a lot of stuff. We have a lot of stuff, and clutter is just happening. So my first step for January and February is just start decluttering and organizing. I'm planning to create some videos of how I'm doing that, watching me declutter and like how it's all happening. So make sure you subscribe to this channel to check those out so you can see what I'm doing. While I'm decluttering, I also want to donate. So there are baby toys that we have. My son's going to be 2 soon, so we don't need those baby toys. There's clothes that we can donate. So in the decluttering process from the first couple months of the year, I'm also going to be creating bags to donate. Then once everything's decluttered and cleaned out, I want to start organizing everything. I've heard from so many places that the best way to organize is for everything to have its spot. So I'm gonna go through this entire house slowly, obviously 1 room by 1 room, and give everything in that room its particular spot. Specifically, I cannot wait to clean out the 3 junk drawers in my kitchen and get rid of stuff or just give it a spot. And also in my bathroom, oh, I can't wait to give everything a spot in my bathroom. Then the third thing that I'm gonna do is minimize junk and also decor. So if you notice in our house, we don't have a whole lot of decor. Like this Christmas decor is the most that we have up. But I just wanna start really putting up purposeful things, whether it's photos of the family or photos of trips that we've done, and just very minimizing our decor to keep it a lot easier to clean. Like, who wants to keep lifting knickknacks to dust the shelves off? I don't, so I just want to start minimizing that. I also want to start trying to reuse things. I've seen this on a couple YouTube channels about reusing jars or reusing containers. We do actually reuse a lot of our kombucha jars. I'm hoping to start brewing more kombucha this year, and we reuse a lot of our diaper boxes. So my daughter has pull-up diapers that is actually a coloring page on the inside, so we use that. And then with my son's diapers, we put toys in that and kind of store it that way. So I want to find ways to reuse things and try to create less waste. The fifth thing that I'm gonna do, which, oh my goodness, is the key, I feel, to success, and it's setting routines. I wanna not only set up a morning routine, I wanna have an evening routine as well, and weekend routines, because what happens is in the mornings we kind of just get up and there's no purpose to it. Like, we need to get up, we need to brush our teeth, we need to do this. And I feel like my kids will also thrive by having these routines, so they know what they need to do, what's next. And the purpose for the weekend routine also is so that we don't just get in a rut and we turn on the TV and just kind of watch cartoons or movies all day. I want to set some type of routine where not only are the kids learning, maybe we're doing something every day, just so it's not a day wasted. I feel like so many weekends go by where I'm like, what did we even do this weekend? So creating morning routines, creating evening routines too, so reading books. I have no idea what this looks like yet. I'm planning to sit down later this week and map out all the routines and the goals that I want to set in my power sheets. So I'll be sharing with those with you in a few weeks. But routines is such a major goal of mine, to just get organized and simplify. The next issue is lists. I could not tell you how many times we can find post-its around here with my list on it. Whether it's the cat running around with a post-it, whether it's my son with a post-it stuck to his butt. I have so many lists, and so what I want to do to simplify this is to get them all electronic. One of the tools that I love is Trello. So whether I create a board that says like a list of lists or whatever I want to do, and have the grocery list, the Target list, my daily to-dos in there, so that I'm constantly going back to that and creating less waste with notes, and also spending less time rewriting these notes. So the reason why I say grocery store and Target is because those are kind of the places we go at least weekly or every other week. And a lot of the time the grocery store items are the same every single week. So instead of writing a new grocery list every single week, just adding to the main staple that we have. I also want to focus on intentional planning. This is a big reason why I bought my simplified planner. If you saw that video and how I set it up, I'll link it right up above so you can check that out. But by using the simplified planner, I feel this is gonna allow me to sit down on a Sunday and really intentionally plan my day. So one, I'm not overbooked with work. Two, that I have specific time set aside for kids and family, and just really making sure that my schedule is set intentionally and I'm not just loading it up to get everything done. And so I'm trying to figure out what the best way that's going to be. And so I'm going to be using that as a way to start simplifying life as well. Then the last two things that I want to do is really focus in on the goals that I'm going to set and revisit those goals every day. I've heard people tell me, like, read your goals every single morning, because this will help you stay focused on doing the things that help you accomplish those goals. And so you're not doing all this extra stuff and running around like a chicken with your head cut off just to be busy, but you're doing the things that are going to get you to those goals that you laid out that are important to you. So having these goals are really gonna help me intentionally plan my week, but also focus on the things that are most important. And journaling is something that I've been wanting to do for years and years, but just never really finding a system that worked for me. So the other day at Target, I picked up, surprise, surprise, another Emily Lay product. So this is the Standard of Grace guided journal, and I'm planning to start this in the new year just to help me start journaling, finding a system that works for me. It has a lot of great prompts. I feel like this will also just help me start reflecting and giving grace and gratitude in my life that I don't do enough now. I want to hear from you. Does this sound interesting to you? Is this something you would want to follow along with me and us do it all together? Maybe find a hashtag on Instagram or something and create a community. Let me know down in the comments below if this definitely sounds like something you all would want to move forward with. And if you're wondering, you know, the planner I'm using and the goal tracker that I use, make sure you click that playlist that's on your screen right now, because it walks you through all of my favorite tools to just plan for the new year. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for new videos every week to help you finally simplify motherhood. Bye!